Profile. Noun. The outermost shape, view, or edge of an object. His fingers traced the profile of the handle. Profile. Noun. The shape, view, or shadow of a person's head from the side, a side view. The brooch showed the profile of a Victorian woman. Profile. Noun. A summary or collection of information, especially about a person. Law enforcement assembled a profile of the suspect. Profile. Noun. A specific space or field in which users can provide various types of personal information in software or Internet systems. I just updated my Facebook profile to show I got engaged. Profile. Noun. Reputation. Profile. Noun. The amount by which something protrudes. Choose a handle with a low profile so it does not catch on things. Profile. Noun. Prominence, noticeability. Acting is, by nature, profession in which one must keep a high profile. Profile. Noun. Character, totality of related characteristics, signature, status, especially in scientific, technical, or military uses. What's the thermal profile on that thing? Profile. Verb. To create a summary or collection of information about a person, etc. Profile. Verb. To act based on such a summary, especially one that is a stereotype, to engage in profiling. Profile. Verb. To draw in profile or outline. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.